Hello friends, today we will understand the concept of forgetting in educational psychology. Definition of forgetting. Forgetting is the inability to recall or recognize information that was previously learned or experienced. It does not always mean the memory is completely gone. Sometimes it is there that memory is completely gone, but we can't access at the moment is forgetting. We can understand with an example. Suppose we study a poem for our exam, but in the test we can't recall a few lines, only to remember them later at home. So it is called forgetting. Nature of forgetting. It is natural process of the mind. Everyone has to undergo in such situation. It can be temporary, that is tip of the tongue situation, or permanent long-term memory loss. Forgetting can happen gradually or suddenly. Causes of forgetting. First is psychologists have identified several reasons why we forget. So first is encoding failure. What is it? Information never actually entered long-term memory in the first place. In the first place, it is for short time. If suppose we glance at a stranger's face but never focus enough to remember it. Second is stress decay theory. Memories weaken over time if they are not revisited or rehearsed. For example, forgetting an old friend's phone number after years of not using it. Then interferences. New or old memories interfere with each other. Proactive interference. Old information interferes with learning new information. Example, calling our new friend by our old friend's name. That is called proactive interference. Then comes retroactive interference. New information interferes with recalling old information. Example, learning a new phone number makes it hard to remember your old one. So when we learn new, we forget the old one. Then comes retrieval failure. The memory is stored, but we can't access it at the moment due to lack of cues. For example, forgetting someone's name during introduction, but remembering later when we see them with a mutual friend. Next is motivated forgetting. Forgetting something because it is unpleasant or traumatic. Freud's repression is an example of motivated forgetting. Example, a person may unconsciously forget details of a painful accident. Types of forgetting. First is type description. Example, normal forgetting. It is common everyday memory loss. Forgetting where we keep our keys. Pathological forgetting due to injury or illness. Memory loss in Alzheimer's disease. Natural forgetting. Gradual fading away over time. Forgetting a language not practiced. Morbid forgetting. Sudden or large scale loss due to trauma. Amnesia after a head injury. Theories of forgetting. First is stress decay theory. Memories fade if not used, like a chalk mark fading over time. Second is interference theory. Memory loss due to competition between similar memories. Third, retrieval failure theory. Memories exist but cannot be accessed without proper cues. Fourth is motivated forgetting repression. Freud's idea that we push threatening memories into unconscious. Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. Hermann Ebbinghaus in 1885 studied how quickly we forget. Most forgetting happens soon after learning. Within the first hour, a large amount is lost. Then forgetting slows down. Repetition helps to retain information for longer. How to reduce forgetting? First is rehearsal and revision, spaced repetition. Meaningful learning, connect new information to existing knowledge. Use of mnemonics. Proper sleep helps consolidate memory. Healthy lifestyle, good diet and exercise for brain health. So we can conclude forgetting is not a weakness but a natural brain process influenced by time, interference, attention and emotions. We can reduce it with active recall, spaced repetition, and meaningful associations.